How to measure someone's height with your iPhone or iPad. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to know or measure someone's height with your iPhone, it is possible with the Measure application. But keep in mind that your device must be compatible with the latest iOS version. Now, head over and search for the Measure application, which should be pre-installed on your device. Now, what you have to do is point your camera so the person is fully visible from head to toe. Wait for a moment and the app will detect the person. Now, it should display a line from the head stop. Now, drag it along with the height measurement. Now that this is done, you can save the measurement by tapping on the shutter button just on the bottom right corner. Now tap the thumbnail in the lower left corner, then choose Save to Photos. If you want to measure again, simply move the camera away briefly. This way the app resets the measurement and you can automatically start with the other measurement. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.